How to edit pickup on Lyft. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to edit pickup on Lyft. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Originally, you cannot change your destination mid-ride in Lyft. Neither driver nor passenger could modify the order once entered. However, the new update allows a change added, the ability for the passenger to modify the destination mid-ride. To change your destination in Lyft, open the Lyft application on your device. Now, drag the destination pin to the new drop-off point and let it go. The app will update with new ETA, price, and details. Once you make the change, the driver will also be notified through the app. So, this is how you can edit pickup on Lyft. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.